Peterbilt. Very beautiful truck. I am really enjoying this place. This is for every trucker's dream. You know, you got to be in Iowa 80. I wish to drive a Peterbilt one day. So Peterbilt is like the Rolls Royce of trucks in the United States of America. The Rolls Royce of trucks. Yep. I love the angry duck. Hello, how you doing?
How are you?
Good.
You can go inside.
Okay, I didn't know. Okay, I'm going to do so. And are you enjoying your work? Are you enjoying your work?
Oh, I love it.
Good to hear that. Good
Yes.
to hear that. And how long have you been an employee here?
3 years.
3 years. And
Yep.
you've seen a lot of people enjoying here.
Yep,
Good,
I've been coming to this truck stop since I was.
a little girl. Wow.
Yeah.
So meaning you really know here.
Yep.
That's good to know. Okay,
Yes.
so I will go and enjoy inside. Thanks very much.
My pleasure, honey. Have a good
Okay,
day.
okay. Okay, so I've been given the pleasure to enter my first Peterbilt truck, you know. So let's go. So we are in this beautiful Peterbilt on display, and you know, it is like you are in an airplane. Look how beautiful the Peterbilt is. And the sleeper. Okay, so it's only one bed. Good. I would love to drive one of these one day. Yep. Okay, so we got to go. We have a lot of things to see, have a lot of things to show you guys. Peterbilt. And it is manual transmission. Good. Okay.